In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a trade on MatchTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to sign into your account, and then you want to go to the Trade tab, top left over here, where there's a bunch of different buttons. And then inside the Trade tab, you're going to be able to see, of course, the chart over here, as well as your favorite stop movers, and of course, all the other things over here on the left, which are going to be symbols and assets you can essentially trade. So to take a trade, you want to find whatever you want to trade. I'm going to go to search here, I'm going to go to crypto, and for this video, I'm just going to click on, for example, over here, Bitcoin USD. So I'm going to click on it and it's going to populate the chart over here. And then to actually take a trade, what you have to do is over here on the left, it's going to extend this buy and sell buttons, and you can go and select how much you want as well. So I'm just going to do 0.01 here on my demo account, and I'm going to click on buy. Now, whenever you do this, as you can see, it says position opened, and that's really all you have to do. Now, if you want an advanced order, you can click on advanced order over here, and this is going to allow you for a bit more customization. You could do a market order or a pending order over here. You could set the volume, you could go and take stop losses, take profits, whatever you want on here. And after this, of course, you can click on either buy or sell, and that way you can basically take a trade on MatchTrader. Now your open positions are going to go down here at the bottom, and of course you can cancel them or modify them using these two buttons over here. So that's how to do this. That's how to take a trade on MatchTrader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.